guys, welcome to my channel Pradyu Science Tunes. Today we are going to learn the topic plants, parts and its function. This topic is from 6th standard. Okay, so guys, before going to the topic, first we have to discuss about the importance of the plants. See, plant plays a vital role in the environment. It is a living thing. Plant, what is a plant? Plant is a living thing. So we see in our surroundings number of plants. In our school campus also we see number of plants in the garden, park, everywhere. We find different types of plants. Are all the plants and the trees are same? No. They are of different in shape, size and the structure. Have great variation in that one. So, regarding to the plant, it varies. That means trees are different and the small plants are there. That is herbs, shrubs, okay, creepers, climbers. So many types of plants are there. So, let us know the importance of the plants. Plants play a vital role in the environment. Plants balance the environment. How? Because it consumes the carbon dioxide which is released by the living organisms and from industries. And it is giving the important gas which is useful for the living organism, that is oxygen. Okay. So the plants they act as lungs of the earth, because exchange of gases takes place between the plants and the atmosphere. Okay, understood. So this is the importance of the plant. Not only in the respiration process, this plant plays a vital role. They provide shelter to the organisms. They give us many things to the living organisms like food, fruits, vegetables, spices and so on. Okay, so actually one thing we have forgotten that about the plants, we are telling the plant is a living organism, living thing. But ourselves, human beings, we are also a living organism, as well as animals also a living organism. So for requirement of the food, we are going to the market to buy vegetables, fruits, everything, whatever we require, we are getting. And we are cooking the food and we are eating. Coming to the animals, what they are doing? They are searching for the food. They move from one place to the another place. Like that, they are eating the food. But coming to the plants, is the plant is moving from one place to another place? No. Let's imagine here. The plant itself, it is preparing its own food materials in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of what, tell me? Sunlight. The process is nothing but what, tell me? Photosynthesis. The plant prepares its food materials in the presence of sunlight. So this process we are calling it as photosynthesis. So that's why we are calling the plant is a autotroph. They are the producers. Okay. This is the importance of the plant. Understood? So let us know, just now we have recalled once again that plants and the trees are of different size, shape and the structure in the great variation. But in general, every plants have some important parts like the root, stem, leaves, flowers. These are common in every plant. Okay, now coming to the plant structure, we have to know how the plant is divided. So which part is doing what type of function? Let us see the picture here. So this is the root system. What, tell me this one? Root system. What is the importance of the root for the plant? It fixes the plant to the soil firmly and also gives support to the plant to stand erect. Understood? And another thing, the root absorbs water and mineral salts from the soil. Along with this, with water, it is supplied to the stem. This is the function of the root system. So, the root system is of two types. The part which is under the ground, we are calling it as a root system. The part which is above the ground, we are calling it as what? Tell me, shoot system. That means shoot system having number of parts. The stem, this is what? Tell me, stem. The stem gives support to the plant and it bears branches. It bears what? Tell me, branches, bud, flower, fruit, leaves. Okay, these are the parts are there for the stem. Stem is bearing branches, flowers, fruits, leaves. Okay, whatever the root is supplying the water, mineral salts from the soil, along the water, it is supplied to the stem, and the stem function is it supplies all these nutrients to all parts of the plant. So the plant is getting energy, but it is preparing its own food material in the presence of sunlight by a process called photosynthesis. So whatever the food it is prepared, it is stored in the leaves. Okay, this is the structure of the plant. So the plant is divided into two parts, that is the root system and the shoot system. The root system plays a vital role in absorbing the water and the mineral salts and supplies to the stem. The stem supplies all these nutrients to all parts of the plant. Okay, are all the roots of same size? They look same? No, they are of different. Let us know that one. See, children, here I will show the types of the roots. Roots are of two types. So, the roots are all not same. So, the different types of roots are there. Two types of roots are there. They are taproot and the fibrous root. Since this is the taproot, that means here the root is thick. Here the root is thick. This is what tell me this root is thick. This root we are calling it as a main root. From the main root, small branches of the roots are arise. They are nothing but what tell me rootlets. So the plant which have the taproot, for example, carrot example for taproot. I will show the activity. Next, fibrous root. The base of the stem, from the base of this stem, bunch of roots are arising. They are all in similar shape, bunch of roots. So, this type of roots are called what tell me? Fibrous root. The base of the stem having bunch of roots called what tell me? Fibrous root. Best example is a grass. So, this is a taproot. You can clearly, it is visible for you. See, the main root is thick. See, I am showing here. The main root is thick and the small roots are arising. So, the main root from the mid and small root. This type of root structure we are calling it as what tell me? Taproot. These small roots are nothing but the rootlets. See, in this plant also very clearly it is visible. This is the tamarind plant and this is the guava plant. Both plants are having the taproot system. Okay. Next, coming to fibrous roots. See, fibrous root. I told you now, from the base of the stem, bunch of roots are arising. Bunch of roots are arising. They are all of equal shape. That means they don't have any main root. Bunch of roots we are seeing. So this type of root system we are calling it as what? Tell me, fibrous root system. See here the fibrous root system. See children, let's enjoy by observing the plant. This is the fibrous root system. It's a grass. Okay, this is what? Tell me, grass. Best example for fibrous root system. It doesn't have the main root. Okay. So this is the difference between the taproot and the fibrous root. Roots are of two types, taproot and the fibrous root. So with the best example we have learned. I think it is clear for you. Okay, what is the importance of the root? Still we have to learn it. So before learning, see, the types of the roots you have understood very well. So let us know the importance of the roots and its function. Already we have discussed the root fixes to the ground. The root fixes to the ground and it fixes the soil firmly and it helps the plant to stand erect. What its function? It allows all the water, mineral salts, what are there in the soil, they are sent to the stem. They send to the stem. This is the importance of the roots and the function. So not only this, some roots we eat. Some roots we eat. That means the roots are modified into bulge shape. Okay. For example, this one, what tell me? Carrot. Raw carrot we eat. That means the root is storing the food in it, and the stored food we are calling it as what? Tell me, tuberous root. What we are calling? Tell me, tuberous roots. Some roots store food materials. Some plants store food materials in the roots. Some plants store food materials in their roots. So such type of roots we are calling it as what? Tell me, tuberous roots. What are the example? One is the carrot. See, I will show you. This is a carrot. Carrot, it is a root. What is the structure of this carrot? Taproot. Understood? Taproot. So the plant is storing its food material in the root. That's what it is looking, the bulge shape. So this type of root we are calling it as a tuberous root. For example, here the beetroot is there. See how it is bulge shape. See, it's looking bigger in size. It is also a root. It is storing the food materials. Understood? We eat raw. It's the best. Beetroot is best for the muscles, fitness. Okay. So this is, and radish also stores the food. So these are the examples for the roots which store the food materials. So this is about the root part we have discussed. So before entering into the another topic, I want to discuss about the importance of the plants once again. Okay. See children, with another activity I came in front of you. See, we have discussed about the types of the roots importance, taproot system and fibrous root system we have discussed. See why I am showing is a money plant. It is what? Tell me. I took the money plant. See, it is having the roots also. It is having what? Tell me, root. See, it's a root. So I kept in this water. I kept in the water. Okay. So the root is absorbing the water. We have one doubt, children. You too have doubt how it passes. You will have that. To clear your doubt, you to do this experiment in your house. Take not only a money plant, any plant you take. You keep one plant in empty water and one plant in another tumbler or any bottle you take. So for that, any indicator, any color you add for that one. Keep for 3 to 4 hours or half a day you keep for best result. You can observe the root is supplying to all parts of the plant. So we can see the indication of the, see here I am observing small dotted like structure here, see. So it is not clear. Somewhat it takes more time to give clear result. So you do. So that means the root is supplying to all parts of the plant. So with this indicator, we can able to know the veins change their color. See here the leaf is looking red in color. See. So that means by this we can understand the root is supplying all water, mineral salts and is supplying to all parts of the plant body. So this is one of the experiment you can do by yourself. You can notice how it is supplying. So it is fun to you. So by doing this experiment you can enjoy also. Okay. So let us discuss the next part. That means already we have discussed in general every plant have the roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Okay. So in that first part we have discussed about the roots. Understood? The next part we are going to discuss about the leaves. Leaves play a very important role. Okay. So one more point we have missed here. The plants play a vital role in water cycle. They help us to give rain also. So that's why children, every mankind have a duty to grow plants in their houses on your birthday or any event. If you plant one tree, then everywhere we find greenery. So more oxygen will be released. That is a useful gas to all the living organisms. That the plants or the trees, they purify the entire environment. So they play a vital role in balancing the environment. Okay, let us discuss the next part about the leaves.